we're looking at an Invicta watch. It's a titanium automatic with the NH35A mechanism. It's fully automatic. It's got the date in the window, the bubble glass there that you can see. It's got the Invicta stamped on the side of it. This is a very comfortable brand new watch. It's got the Silicon Jubilee bracelet with the double clasp. It's a deployment clasp. It's got the squeeze buttons right here. And then here is your automatic. I love that little window that you can watch. Very comfortable. It's very light for the size of the watch. It's a 45mm watch. It's got a screw down crown, the sweep movement, the second hand movement. It's just a beautiful watch, comfortable. Hope you like it. I sure do.